afternoon, everybody. My name is Maniharishwar, and I am from Big Public Speaking, Bangsa South. I am 8 years old, and this is my speech. Success is built on failure. How many of us decided to not do anything because it is hard? We are so interested in blaming everybody and giving excuses because we do not want to take on the responsibilities. Ancient tale, those who never fail have never tried. The reason most people don't take action is fear. It is fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of comparison. In life, things go wrong. That's just life. Once you learn by falling on your face, that's how you learn. If at first you fail, then try again. When a child learns to walk and fall down more than 50 times, he or she never thinks, this is too hard, it's not for me. We all fail, it is okay. What is not okay, when we fail, we stay down. It takes only one mistake to turn your whole life inside out. It takes only one good test to see what are you doing wrong. Failure is a test. It is hard to be a high performance person. Problem is a sign you are making progress. So many of you are being comfortable and being comfortable. You think you are successful? Remember, you don't fail. You win or you learn. You look at it as an opportunity to learn and be better. Everybody is destined to be successful. You have dreams, you have goals, and I promise you, nobody can stop you. Failure is irrelevant. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Thank you.